Has come to light. India's national record holder in men's pole vault, Dev Meena, along with fellow athlete Kuldeep Yadav. They both faced an unfortunate incident while returning from the All India Inter-University Athletes Championship. Now, they were both travelling, and this is when a TTE on the train objected to them carrying their essential pole vault poles along specialized equipment which is vital for their sport, and forced the duo to in fact deboard at a Panvel station in Maharashtra. Now viewers, despite the athletes' explanation and pleas that the poles were in fact necessary and therefore not prohibited items in this context, they were harassed. In fact, they were left stranded at the station for nearly 5 hours. Now, a video recorded by the athletes, in fact, detailing their ordeal, including Meena's question about what lesser-known juniors might face if top performers encounter such treatment, has now gone viral on social media. It has certainly sparked widespread controversy, highlighting logistical challenges Indian athletes have to endure during travel. In showing you the two athletes and how they had to face, in fact, harassment. They were deboarded and they were left stranded for hours at the Panvel station in Maharashtra. And this is when the officer objected. Let's also listen in to the reaction.
हर बार नहीं सीधे बात करें हमारा जो अभी जो साहब आए आप बात करें
इसके लिए प्रोसेस क्या है वो बात करूंगा जैसे भी बात कर पाऊंगा टूटी हिंदी जो भी बात करूंगा
मैं जरा ना इनका कितना होता है देख क्या तुम
हमारी ट्रेन में छूटे महोदय बस
नहीं छूटेंगे सर आप जा सकते हैं गाड़ी में, लेकिन ट्रेन आपका जाएगा नहीं।
फिर क्या हमें उसको बता दीजिए क्या करना है।
सेफ कस्टडी में रहेगा यहाँ पे, आप बाद में आगे
ये सर 20 लाख का सामान है
सर, जो भी है इधर सेफ रहेगा।
अरे तेरी गाड़ी में टाइम है ओए दादा भाई, तेरी गाड़ी में बहुत टाइम है,
मेरा नाम देव मीना है। मैं इंडिया का नेशनल रिकॉर्ड होल्डर प्लेयर हूँ और हाल ही में मैंने अभी नया नेशनल रिकॉर्ड बनाया है। ये मेरे साथ में कुलदीप है, इसने भी अभी हम यूनिवर्सिटी खेलने आए हैं और अभी हम महाराष्ट्र में महाराष्ट्र के पनवेल रेलवे स्टेशन पे। यहाँ पे हमारा ना मतलब यहाँ पे हमको जो टीटी है सीनियर टीटी, उन्होंने मतलब हमारे पोल देख लिया और यहाँ पे हमको मना कर दिया कि आप लोग नहीं जा सकते। और मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान गए यहाँ पे और हमारी एक ट्रेन छूट चुकी है ऑलरेडी। हमने मतलब उनको 4 से 5 घंटा यहाँ पे बिठा के रखा पूरे बहुत परेशान हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे। मतलब हर एक एथलीट अगर हमारे साथ ये चीज़ हो रही है तो मतलब मैं अपने जूनियरों से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूँ कि मतलब उनके साथ क्या होता होगा। अगर एक एथलीट का मतलब एक इंटरनेशनल एथलीट के साथ ये चीज़ें अभी भी हो रही है इंडिया में, तो आगे में क्या ही बोलूँ।
और हमारे यहाँ मतलब जो यहाँ के इंचार्ज जो सीनियर टीसी इंचार्ज है आर.के. वर्मा सर, और उनको सीनियर टीसीएम का ऑर्डर था कि ये लोग को 4 से 5 घंटे बैठा के रखो और ये जब तक फाइन नहीं भरते हैं तब तक इनको जाने नहीं दिया जाए। और यहाँ हम लोग 4-5 घंटे वेट करके अभी हम लोग अपना पोल उसी ट्रेन में लाते हम लोग फाइन भर दिए। अभी 5 घंटे बाद उन्होंने बोला कि बिना फाइन के इनको मत छोड़ो, कुछ भी हो जाए इनको बैठा के रखो। और हम लोग इंडिया के खिलाफ दोनों पोल वॉल्टर रहे, तो पोल वॉल्ट इवेंट लिया तो इंडियन रेलवे कुछ ऐसा मतलब व्यवस्था चालू करे जिससे हमारा।
और ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, ये तो हमेशा से ऐसे ही होता आ रहा है। मतलब ये कोई नई चीज़ नहीं है। मैं चाहता हूँ कोई तो कुछ करो इस चीज़ के लिए।
All right, and now my colleague Rakshita is joining me with more details on this. Rakshita, it seems that these top performers, they were carrying their essential sports equipment on the train, but they had to go through harassment. They were deboarded and then stranded for hours at the station, and this is when they were not even carrying any prohibited item.
Well, yes, there is this video that is going viral where the TTE, the ticket examiner, is saying that they are not allowed to take this equipment, and this is a very expensive equipment. Let us tell you, it's very, of course, the length is something that is cumbersome to travel with. But is there any other option? We do know that there are different athletes of different sports, be it cricket or other. They all carry their equipment and they have their own flights. They have all their special arrangements, special flights, special allowances advances that are made. But of course, these are pole vaulters. These are not somebody's who, they are not somebody who everybody knows. They are not high-profile athletes. But let me tell you, they are national record holders. At a time when you have, athletes in pole vaulting only from the other countries, and nobody from India has made strides as these two have. And it's a shame that they had to be, waited. They have to wait for 5 hours. That's what they're saying. They had to wait, and they're claiming that they also had to pay a fine for it. They had to pay a fine for what? Only to travel with their equipment. So that's, of course, a very, very embarrassing situation. Right now, we've seen from the badminton what happened in the India Open. That again caused embarrassment for the country. And at a time when India is looking to host more and more championships, and not just championships, but the games like the Commonwealth Games, and also bidding for the Olympics, at a time when the Indian athletes should be focusing on their game, focusing on their training, focusing on, getting at par with the international athletes. We are so far behind just because we are struggling to, get through the bureaucracy, get through just simply offering support to these, athletes who come from humble and modest backgrounds. Now, here you can see that the way they are not at all, you can see in their tone, they're very respectful to the TTE, but the way that he's been talked to, or either I would say talked at, it's like they are being ordered and they are being punished for carrying what is required for their training. And yes, it can be difficult. They can always provide a solution for it. If at all it's a problem to travel with those poles. Instead, they are fined. They are being punished for going with this. So this is something that the Sports Authority of India, or Athletic Federation of India should also look into. However, there is complete silence from the federation, from the authorities who should be lending in support. In fact, they should be the one to, in fact, come to their rescue, to in fact speak to the railways, to let them, travel with the poles, because it's necessary for their championship. So there is of course a lot of outrage if you see online, but there is complete silence. There's no statement yet from the Athletics Federation of India, from the Sports Authority of India, who should be actually the first responders in this case. The fact that they had to resort to posting this video or speaking to a sports agency, a sports media outlet, to reach out to the people, this clearly shows the apathy towards the athletes of the country. We talk about hosting the games, but we cannot just support our own athletes. That is the travesty.
Right, Rakshita, this is clearly apathy and a shameful incident that we're looking at, and the fact that there has been no word from any sports authority at this point. My question is, what kind of messaging are we sending out to athletes across India, who put their heart and soul into these practice to represent their nation, and this is the kind of treatment they're meted out?
Absolutely. Well, this is, I could not really get your question, I'm sorry, Ishta, but this is, of course, completely an embarrassing situation.
Right. Rakshita, I was just asking about that, what kind of messaging we are sending through these incidents to athletes who are putting their heart and soul into practicing and to represent their nation. All right, viewers, now